sorry. Now, yes, you can see the new part is not working. I connected here to the plug the new part. Give me a moment. Okay, it's connected and it's not working. That's so bad. I was thinking that maybe this part is not working. The plug, but you can see this part is working and it's the same model of this. It's the same model, and there is the code, the IP. Okay, it's the same part. Okay, and it's the same plug to connect it. This and this. Okay, I will disconnect it and the red light will be off. Okay, now it's disconnected. Okay, so I will connect it. This connector, the male connector of this infrared to this female connector. Okay, now you can see this will work. Okay, I will put it in and try to connect it. Okay, and now it's connected. Okay, you can see the female connector from the player 1 is connected to the infrared of the player 2 and is working. Okay, the red light is on, so it's not the female connector. In conclusion, is the original and the new part from China not working. That's so bad. That's so bad. And okay, you can see it. I will connect it. Okay, now it's connected. Okay, player 2 is working good, the infrared, so, but the player 1 is not connected because this part not working. The new part and the original part from this game is not working. That's the conclusion. Nothing I can do it here because the infrared is bad.